How do you make more money as a photographer? Stick around and you'll find out. Don't go away. Hi there, I'm Barry Callister, founder and creator of photographersfreedom.com, giving you the time, gear and skills to be the best photographer you can be. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for checking out this video. I've been running my own photography business for over 3 years now. During that time, it has changed and morphed and transformed into so many different things. I've done headshots and promo shots for people. I've taken photos of pets. I've sold my photos at craft markets. I have sold my photos online on Redbubble and eBay. I have done product photography. I have built websites for my photography. I've done a lot of things. And that is one quick tip I will give you here as a bonus, is have multiple streams of income. Especially if you're a nature photographer like me, you are going to need multiple avenues of income in order to make your photography business work. So that's one tip. Let's look at some more. The first tip I will give you here, well actually the second, is network with other photographers. Get to know other photographers in your field of photography or ones that are just close to you geographically. Now, not all photographers are going to be willing to help you out or to give you their secrets, but most will. And the more people that you know, the more chance you have of having a successful photography business. Networking is a great way to increase your income. You can suggest other photographers to clients whose jobs you just don't have time for, or that may not be in your field of photography, and likewise they will do the same for you. Talking to other people who do what you do is invaluable. I always say that we learn and grow together. Working with others instead of against them will benefit them and you. Tip number 2 is approach local businesses. You can offer to do headshots, take photos of their workplace or shop, or get together a portfolio of product photos and approach businesses that sell products that may need photos. Not all small businesses are going to be able to take their own photos, so you can get your foot in the door here. And once you do one good job, they will spread the word and your work will increase. Naturally, you need to be good at talking to people and selling yourself to make this work. Being good at product photography couldn't hurt either. So I've put a link in the video description below to a great tabletop product photography course from Creative Live. That course will teach you so much that you need to know about how to bring products to life in your photos, and it may just help get you some work. The third tip is teach. No matter where you are in your photography journey, you know something that someone else doesn't. This means that you have something to give, something to teach. Bonus tip, there's a bonus tip coming up, stick around. Try giving photography classes in your local town or city. You can find a community hall or some venue to hire that for very little money, or you can do this from your own home if you're comfortable with that. Photography walks are also a great way to get people interested in classes. You can do a walkabout in a local park, a garden, the beach, anywhere you can take great photos. You charge people a small fee to spend a couple of hours with you, and you walk around taking photos, and you can teach them at the same time. I see a bonus. It's coming. Always give much more than your students expect too. Maybe do up a photography settings cheat sheet or some kind of learning tool that they can take home. If you don't advertise this giveaway beforehand, they will be blown away by your generosity and they will keep coming back for more. They will also sing your praises to others and your class will steadily increase. Bonus tip. I've been hinting at this bonus tip and here it is. If you want to make more money as a photographer, you must learn how to market yourself and your photography. I know where you are because I've been there. You're spending so much time and money on learning your craft, planning your shots, taking the photos, editing them for hours and hours until they look freaking amazing. Then you're sharing them on social media or wherever online you're sharing them, expecting a huge parade to come marching down your street right to your door screaming, "Congratulations, you've just taken the best photo the world has ever seen. Here's $1 million. But it doesn't work like that. Because unless you know what you're doing, unless you know how to market your images and your products effectively, then the internet is just a huge party and you're over there in the corner screaming, "Look at me, look at me," but no one hears or sees you. So how do you learn to market effectively online? 6-figure mentors. This is the best online marketing course on the planet. step-by-step education on how to market anything effectively online. Add to that an incredible support team and a community of like-minded people who are driven to succeed and want the same thing that you do, and you've got one amazing education platform. Click the link visible in the description below. That link will take you to a digital marketing mentors page where my mentor Stuart Ross, one of the founders of Six Figure Mentors, will explain to you how to sign up with your name and email to receive a free video series. These could be the videos that change your life and business forever. Get to it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, click subscribe and ding the notification bell. Make sure you check out that tabletop product photography course from Creative Live. It's fantastic. That link is in the video description below. Until next time, I'm Barry Callister of Barry Callister Photography and of course Photographer's Freedom. Get out there, take some wicked shots. Good luck with your photography business and I'll see you soon.